Sit down. See it, baby?
See the rockets drop from the steps of that
Ralph,
Too late.
He's calling you.
look at that tail.
Wow.
Cool.
What? Yeah.
Look at that, the city.
Oh, any time now.
Two cakes. Huh? Sunshine.
See, I told you.
The launch.
Space shuttle. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like they shut down. Oh, the sun is glistening off the...
Easy, Sonny. Easy. Look at that thing go. Yeah, take some pictures, honey.
Look at the glow in the river. You get that mirror effect in the river.
Oh, cool.
Isn't that neat? Double exposure.
Oh, he's going into a...
Where the away from you. She dropped the rockets. So James go.
No, I can still see it.
yeah, the smoke is left.
You can still see it now. See how glow it is?
They're off now. They're off now.
See it? Now you can see the bright.
Here
the
they
rocket
come.
took off.
You can see it separate.
Now it looks like a star.